Hello and welcome to your personalized ornament design tutorial. We're going to show you how to make your own ornament today. And to start with, you need to go to Canva and sign in using your Google account so that we can get started. Once you're in Canva, you're going to click on the What Will You Design Today, and you're going to search for logo. And when you search for logo, we're going to start with create a blank logo. So again, you want to search for logo and then click create a blank logo. And it's going to give us our workspace. It's going to give us templates that we could work from, but we're designing an ornament, so we don't need to use any of those. What we need to do is click on elements and then search for ornament. And when we search for ornament, you're going to see we have all kinds of graphics and image options. Let's click on graphics. And again, you're going to see all kinds of colorful design displays. Those are all good ornaments that you can use in design, but we want an ornament that we can cut out using our laser printer. So we're looking for one that looks just like this, that's a plain white shape that we can put in. Now, when I click on this one, it's going to put in the outline of an ornament. This is going to be the ornament that we personalize and design. Now, you don't have to use just this plain one that it starts with. There are a couple ways you can find more intricate details. So when you clicked on this one that is a plain basic one, you should see magic recommendations that give you other options that you can use. If you click see all, it'll give you a whole bunch of different options that you can use. So you can delete the plain one that you had and you can choose a different one. So for example, if you want one with more of a snowflake interior, you can choose this one. The laser printer will cut out what you see in black, and then we can personalize on the center what we want it to say. Now, take some time and look through all of the different options that you have. We can print any of these options that have a little hole for it to hang from. If you choose one like this, for instance, you're going to need to add, oh, I didn't click it in. There we go. If you choose one like this, notice there's not a spot to hang the ornament from. Try and avoid these. We don't want to work with them. Choose ornaments that have the hanging hole already inserted in them. Now, if you choose one like this that already has the text, you won't be able to personalize it very much. So I would avoid those also. If you want to use something like this, look for the blank ones like I showed you at the top, that are similar in design, but that have a blank white space for you to design your own style. Go ahead and search through all of these options. There are a bunch of them. Again, if you choose ones like this, there's not a lot of space for you to personalize them. Look for one that leaves you some space for you to do some designing on top of it. Now, if you don't see what you're looking for here under Magic Recommendations, there's another thing we can do. Go back to the element search and type in Ornament Silhouette, Silhouette, Ornament Silhouette. And when I search that, notice that I get all of the ones that I saw before, plus a whole bunch of different other ones that I can scroll and look at. There are Christmas tree shaped ones. There are butterfly and cat and turtle and bat shaped ones. So there's all kinds of different options you can choose. Again, make sure that it has a ring on the top and make sure that it has a little white space that you can use to design and customize it. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Um, I'm going to go ahead and choose, let me choose mine to work with. I'm going to choose Christmas tree shape. So I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to insert it. Now, once you have your shape inserted, whatever the shape is, go ahead and scale it up so that it fits as big as it can in the workspace that you have. Don't go over, but set it right at the workspace that you have. The black is what will get cut out of the wood in our printer. What we want to do is we want to personalize it so that it says something on top of it that we can etch in to the design. So to do that, I'm going to go to text, or I could go to element. Let's start with text. And if I want to add text, I'll just say something like happy holidays. Now, notice that it shows in black when I put that text in. Here are your two choices. I'm going to go to color, and if I want this text to be cut out of the ornament so that I can see through the ornaments, then I'm going to turn my text white. If I want the laser to burn in and not cut all the way through, then I'm going to set my color to gray. This will tell me, your teacher, how to set the laser printer up so that it prints it the way you want. Again, white to cut it out, gray to etch and burn it into the wood. So it doesn't go all the way through, but it burns in that text so that you can see what it says. You can adjust the text font, size, style, color. I'm not color, text size and style. So if you want something fancier like this, you can do that. You can resize it so that it fits exactly how you want. And this ornament is the picture that was linked from Genially for you to learn this. So if you want to see what this final product looked like, go back into the Genially and look at the picture you clicked on to start this project. Now, you're not limited to just text on here. If you wanted something else on here, maybe I want um, to search for a holiday graphic or something like this, like a reindeer. Maybe I want a reindeer on there. So I'm going to put a reindeer, turn it into gray because I want it to be etched and burned in. I'm going to resize it, and I'm going to set that right here on top. So now I have my Happy Holidays ornament ready to go and design. When I'm finished, simply click on Share, put in my name, JALESCH, at plano88.org, and then send it to me, and I will get your design printed and back to you within a class period. Okay, thank you and good luck, everyone. Have fun.